Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make some mini cheesecakes, and for this recipe I'm going to be starting with my Maria biscuit that I grinded. I'll insert a clip, and I used 1 pack of Goya Maria biscuits. So first thing I'm going to do is put in the melted butter. Now the butter has cooled, and I'm going to add it to here. Okay, and next I'm going to be going in with some sugar. I'm not using all. Yes, so this is just about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and what you're looking for is consistency of wet sand. You guys can see this is the consistency we're looking for. So now I'm gonna start taking by the spoonfuls and put into. I'm gonna go in by 1 spoonful first. So now I'm gonna be using a glass, and I'm just gonna be pressing down. Okay, so they're all pressed in, and I'm just gonna place the tray to the side. Okay, so my cream cheese is at room temperature, and I'm just gonna start blending it using my hand blender. Now remember to go in on the sides of your bowl, and I'm just going to go in with my sugar. And now I'm going in with my eggs. I'm going to put them in one at a time. Next, I'm going to go in with my vanilla essence, and I'm using the Mexican blend, and I just went in with 1 tablespoon. And now I'm going to go in with the juice of half of a lemon. And lastly, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Now I feel like my ice cream scooper works best for me, so I fill it up 3/4 of the way, and this is what I'm going to be using to add my cheesecake batter. Okay guys, so my cupcakes are ready to be put into the oven. Now my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I am going to bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now what I'm doing is removing the air bubbles. So I just took them out. They took 18 minutes to be cooked. I'm going to have it cool for 10 to 15 and then put it in the fridge overnight. So it's the following morning. I'm just going to decorate with some strawberry jam, strawberries, and blueberries. And here is the end product. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for all the support.